Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change and download new watch faces on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro. Okay, so let's get to the watch, and you can change watch faces by pressing and holding on the screen, then sliding to different ones. And there are a few already pre-installed on the watch. So I could change it to, let's say, the weather, and now that would be my default face. But I could also install more by going to the app in the device section, finding manage band displays, and then I can find the local ones, which are the ones that I have installed already. You can see that these are the default ones, technically. Then in online, you can find different faces, and there are a few sections here, and you can find them, of course. Most of them I can see are free. I'm not sure if there are some paid ones. There may be. But as for now, I'm only going through the free ones. Let's go to, you can also go to all and find all the sections. So there's lots of them, and you can find the ones that you actually like. I don't really see any paid ones. Maybe not in my region. Maybe they're hidden somewhere. I do like the one that was shown here on the thumbnail of this section. So I'd like this one. Let me find it. Okay, there it is. I can now select it, and I can apply it. You can see it comes in two different versions, which is also cool. There are some other recommendations available as well. Let's click on apply. And there it is. I can now press and hold on it. I can click on the settings button to change the watch face option, so I can slide up and down to change between these two options. But I do like the first one, so I'll just apply it. And that's how you change between faces. If you'd like to delete a face, just click on the trash icon when you have a face selected, and then it'll be deleted. I'll stay on this one, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.